Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're playing a game called Find the Kittens, and I've actually gotten a few already, but most of the ones, like these, I haven't gotten yet. So we'll be doing those. Okay, let's get going. Already found one. Well, it's pretty easy actually. Oh. Okay, so it's actually kind of hard. Is there like a secret thing? There has to be, right? That looks so suspicious. Looks like it has to be a secret thing. Flip. That just has to be a secret. Oh wait, that's ice. That's why. That's why I fell off. I think if I just inch my way. Yeah, drawing kitten. That's cool. Alright, I'll actually do the thing now. Okay, let's go up here. Flip, flip, flip. Right here's the truss. I hate trusses so much because you have to turn in their direction for it to work. That's why I hate it. How do I get to that? I have no idea. Okay, so there's another one of those. Okay. What if I go down? Oh, I died. I actually just won't do that. Find 3 marshmallows hidden around the island. Are you kidding me? Oh wait, find a ladder. I already found that. I am absolutely multitasking right here. Oh yeah, and why that's in chat is because while I was playing this before, I was solving a thing in this, and yeah. I was supposed to grab that. How do I get up there? How? How do I literally get up there? I have no idea. I know game, I found a ladder already. Oop, flip. I did not know what that did. I mean, it's okay though. How do I get up there though? How? That makes like no sense. What the heck? I'm pretty sure I have to go back up to get that marshmallow thing, because I swear there was a marshmallow. Why is it jumping? It's like automatically jumping, and it's so annoying. Yeah, I need that marshmallow. Ooh, I kind of clutched there with that jump. Probably could have died. I mean, not died. Oh, come on. But I could have fell down. get that snow globe one? Yeah, up there. That's like so hard. Can't get it. Can't zoom out any. What even is this code? Can I clip through it? Can't see what's behind it. If there's like a marshmallow or something. What do I do to get up there? Seriously, I have like no idea. I just type in random number. What did I do in that? Oh, no. I deleted it. Pretty sure it was 951. Nope, not it. I have no idea. How do I get to that obby? Wait. Oh, wait. Glad I did that. That was smart. Oh, wait. Maybe there was like a thing. Ooh. Oh, yeah. That's how you get it. Was there one on top of here? Oh, what the heck? What the heck? It wasn't even on top of here, I swear. It's crazy. Oh, nice. Let's go. I actually got in. Oh, what? Okay, so that is how you do it. Is there a secret right here? I think there may be. Why can't I change my movie? Can I go into first person, please, game? I do need first person for this. This is actually tedious. I'm not even doing that, I swear. This is gonna be vain. Sorry guys, I'm sick. Probably should have said that earlier. Oh, I can't even say that. Just trying to help them out there. I need 2 more. what if I just clip through it like the little Clippington I am? Oh, it's like really thick. Wait. Oh, come on. What the heck? There's a shovel. Sand kitten? By the way, sorry guys. I'm like really sick right now. What if I just... Ooh. I want to clip through. Yeah, I cannot clip through that. Sorry, guys. Try to help these people out, even though they kind of should know about themselves. Oh wait, it's color coded. There are 2 more colors, so it's 7. Yeah, it's 7. Then 4. Yep, that's right. Is last. So I need the green and the yellow. I swear if somebody says it in chat, I'm going to go crazy because I want to figure it out myself. Because I love puzzles so much. They're literally my favorite. Ooh! 742. That's good. Same for something 2. Same for something 2. Then, you know, the other. Where could it be? What the heck? This is painful. I think it may be somewhere like here. Is there a secret with the paintings? With that, I already got that kind of. Oh, where is it? I swear, this is actually so good. Can't find it. If it's there, I will go crazy. something 2, then like 5. Is it 5? Yeah, it's 5. 7, 4, something 2, 5. How do I do it now? Absolutely how? Oh wait, nice. That was actually one of them. Wait, I just realized. 7, 4, 6, 2, 5. 7, 4. 5, 7, 4, 2, 5. 3, 2, 5. 7, 4, 1, 2, 5. 7, 4, 1, 2, 5. 7, 4, 5, 2, 5. 7, 4, 4, 5. Oh wait, no. 7, 4, 4, 2, 5. 7, 4. Why does it do that? 7, 4, 9, 2, 5. Oh, nice. I guessed it. Let's go. Cracked at the game. I'm actually so good, guys. Okay, I finally got it. Sorry, guys. Alright, we'll find this one out. Ooh. What is this? What is this? Oh, that's somebody's avatar. Ooh, wait, I think I have an idea. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have to light this, and then we're gonna be able to do the thing we did with that other thing, that other one. But yeah, that's, I think, how we'll do it. Sorry, guys. Is it the same one for that? 7, 4, 9, 2, 5. No, it's not. Can I wall hop? Oh, wait, I can wall hop. Wait, I just realized wall hopping is useless, but I guess it's kind of fun. This is like a hard wall hop. Why is that so hard? Oh, wait, I know why it's hard, because it's a one stat in wall hop. Yeah, but that was kind of fun. Alright, boring stuff like that aside, let's actually try to find how to... follow. Trying to get a free thing, but never mind. She doesn't want it. rid of this ice. Oh my god. Somebody just said find matches. Yeah, but how do you find matches when you can't? Okay, I'll finally ask for help. Let me wall hop on this, please. Game complete. Okay, so we're finding this out all by myself. Wait. I think I could clip in there, but that's huge! I just found the marshmallow. That's actually so good. Oh wait, I think no. What could I actually do to find it? And it's 24 out of 43. I can't find it. How the heck do I do it? 203. 23. How? What the heck? It's 2 out of 3. So what I think is 23. But this doesn't make sense. Let me wall hop game. Oh, come on. This is actually chopped. How the heck do you, do it? So sorry, guys. Oh wait, I never saw this. Nope. I love clipping. Let's go. And also, how do you use the shovel? I got a shovel quite a bit ago, but I can't even use it. Sorry, guys. This is actually so hard. How do you get to that flippin' obby? Can't find the flipping obby. I mean, the teleporter to the obby. I can see the obby clearly. This is actually tedious. Oh, wait. I think I can take one of the torches from the desert. And then what I can do, like from here, I think, can I take a torch? No. Is there anything there? I already found something here, so can't do that. This is actually so hard. How the heck do I... Is it up there? Do I have to do this obby all again? Seriously? I'll just speed run it, not gonna lie. Oh, yeah, there. Oh, no. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. This is annoying. Holy voice crack. Are you kidding? Who can climb the vines? I'm actually so smart. Wait. I wonder what that switch did. What does that do? I need to beat the obby again? I don't think I do. Alright, this is actually like really hard to solve. I wonder what that lever did is pretty suspicious. Very suspicious. Suspicious. Alright, what am I saying? This is so annoying. What does it mean by hidden from the view? Of course it is. Can't see it. Because they're hidden game. Time to wait. Nah, I'ma dance. Alright, what am I doing? Let me in here. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in, sir. You need your butter chicken. You ordered your butter chicken. Hello, sir. What is your butter chicken? I swear, bro. Alright, bro. What if I just stay here? I think that'd be funny. Come on, game. You're mean. What if the X is not anywhere? Oh my god. Living hate trusses so much. Why did I sound like a demonic devil? It's not here. Oh, come on. Oh, seriously? No. Oh. Shoulder. I do not like asking for help. Seriously, do not know how. This is so hard. When I came into this game, I thought it'd be easy. Oh heck no, it is not easy. How? Literally how? 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 This is impossible. This is impossible. This is gonna take so long. I swear, bro. This is hard. How do I solve this? It makes no sense. Sir, can you help me like this? Oh, come on. This is annoying. I found it. I found it. I found it. Are you kidding me? Am I actually like clip farming right now, bro? All right, I'm correct. I think that can actually help. I thought it was one of the matches, or like a lighter. Let's 2506. Whopping. Yeah, but where the heck is those matches? Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm so good at the game. I'm actually so good, bro. I'm the best player ever. I should shut up right now. Let's go. Is that like my new rarest? Yeah, that's literally in a stream. That's pretty good. I think I like 100% did this. I think I did. Wait. I pressed 3 buttons, so what do I do now? I pressed 3 buttons, so what do I do now? I pressed 3 buttons, so what do I do now? I have to climb this. I bet everybody, when they see this, they're gonna be like, oh, you just switched up all the things before you did it. But no, I did not. I'm completely serious. I did not search up a thing. I found it. Let's go. Only takes one more crystal. Only need one more crystal. Why am I talking like in Indian? That's offensive to them. Sorry, people. But yeah. Boop, beep, boop, bop, beep, boop. Oh, this is cool. What are these? What are these? Wow. Oh wait, this is the biome guy. He's the rarest in the game. Let's go. Are you kidding? I hate those so much. They just put the worst combo and put them together. Whoever made this game, I hate you. Because ice and trusses are the worst combo. Let's go, bro. Let's go. That's actually insane. That's the rarest thing. Ooh, a secret lab. Okay, so we got a few more to find. Okay, go back to spawn. Now what we shall get is this ferrocrystal. Get this Singius. Why is this like so hard to find the last ferrocrystal? Ferrocrystal, where are you? You goofy goober, where are you? That's gotta be like a evil kitten? Oh yeah, I forgot. I flipped that switch, so could be anything. How do people not figure out that you literally just do that? All you do is click through. Alright, I can like not fucking find flipping the crystal. So hard to find. Still, how do you get to that hobby? What? How do you get to that hobby? That literally makes like no sense. And how do you use that shovel still? Oh, it's gotta be the switch. That switch that I pulled, it has to do something with that. Oh, come on. There's something darker than the other. I was a Pharaoh crystal. Where would I be? Be somewhere. Definitely be somewhere. Somewhere. Is there like an extra thing? This is so hard to figure out. Where even is the Pharaoh crystal? Yeah, that's the Pharaoh kitten. That's how you do it. I can genuinely not find a single thing, so actually let me get a cool outro spot. Right here. Best outro spot. Wait. Isn't it cool? The intro was right down there. Now the outro's right here. Oh wait, I forgot. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Please like and subscribe. Please.